Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm making my first video and I'm fighting nerves, so be patient with me. This channel is all about trading card games and breaking boxes, opening up blisters, hunting down those rarities, those hard to find cards. And before I begin, I want to dedicate this first video to my mother. She passed away in February, and I know she's up there in the sky looking down and watching as well and tuning in. And I'd also like to give a big shout out to Heart of the Pack. He has been very supportive and helpful in giving me advice and motivation to do my own channel and just start. And I just want to say thank you for all the help you've given me. So with that being said, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Ghosts from the Past, the second haunting, and everyone's screaming this is going to be the best set of 2022. And so it's sealed. I'm going to open it up. And in this display, there are 5 boxes. Each box has 4 packs and a chance for a ghost rare. And that's what we're after. We're going to be a little crazy getting into this. There we go. These boxes look absolutely amazing. The designs, you got blue eyes, and it looks like there's a dark arm dragon on there as well on the front. So we're going to put those to the side, and we're going to start with our first box. Okay, 4 packs, and we're going to go right into it. Okay, Retaliating Sea, DD Savant, Fallen Sanctuary, the Agent of Mystery, and Victorica, Angel of Bravery. Okay. Fossil Machine, Skull Buggy, the Agent of Force, Sky Cavalry Centauria, Contract with the Void, and Plunder Patrol Ship. These cards look great. Many of these are reprints from older sets. A lot of nostalgia for longtime Yu-Gi-Oh! Fans. Crimson Knight Vampire, the Agent of Creation, Reptilia Egg, the Flute of Summoning Kuriboh, and Golden Hair. It's really pretty. Last pack of the first box. Despia, Theater of the Branded, Plunder Patrol Ship, Mardale, and Mecha Phantom Beast, and Vampire Domination. Alright, that went fast. quite get that open. Alright, flip that around. Okay. Alright, we got Dark Magician Girl on the pack of this one. Inzektor Gigamantis. Infernity Pawn. Dark Magician the Dragon Knight. That's sick. Shadow Vampire. And Deskbot 001. Really good designs on these cards. Hoping to land my first ever Ghost Rare. Haven't got one yet, so. The Agent of Judgment. Tenyi Spirit. Decode Talker Heat Soul. It's an awesome card. Jorgen Gonder. And Chimera Tech. Okay, let's keep the ball rolling. Plunder Patrol Ship. It's a repeat. Reptilian Spawn. Fallen Sanctuary. Despian Tragedy. And Vampire Duke. That's a couple of different vampire cards I've seen so far. Alright. Giant Mammoth. The card's awesome. Alien Ammonite. Go DD Divine Zero King Rage. The Agent of Wisdom. And Track Black. Okay. Into the third box. Alright. Send me all your luck. Especially you, Heart of the Pack. He gets all the luck. Okay. Alright, we got Blue Eyes on the front of this pack. Okay. The Agent of Force. Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. Fallen Sanctuary. Plunder Patrol Ship. And Mega Phantom Beast Colt Wing. Retaliating Sea again. DD Savant. Sky Cavalry Centaurea. Vampire Domination. And the Flute of Summoning Karibo. Alright. Dark Magician Girl. That's the chase card of this set. If there's any card I'd like, it'd be her. Let's see. Fossil Machine. The Agent of Force. Mardale. Golden Hair. And Doom King Valor Drak. Really cool design. Alright, Blue Eyes. There's 9 Ghost Rares in this set. Any of them would be good to get. Despia. Plunder Patrol Ship. Reptia Egg. Ghost Trick. And Mystical Shine Ball. It's a cool card. Almost makes you think it's a Ghost Rare, but no, not quite. Box number 4. Alright. Definitely, please feel free to comment with your favorite pool from this opening. Alright. Ghost Trick So Cute. Ghost Trick Spectre. Mardell. Ghost Trick Jiangshi. And DDD Duo Don King. Alright. Blue Eyes. Come on, Ghost Rare. I know you're here. Make this an awesome, amazing, amazing video. Vampire Kingdom. Lara G. Boraland Dragon. Really good card. Fossil Fusion. And Malefic Cyber End Dragon. Blue Eyes. Okay, Sonnet Conflict. Domain of the Tree Monarchs. Fossil Machine Skull Convoy. Inzektor Sword. And Rose Spectre of Dun. That is a really, really pretty card. Alright, we're getting down to our last pack of the fourth box. Crimson Knight Vampire. Glow Up Bloom. Chronicle Magician. Vampire Sucker. And Tinny Spirit Vishuddha. Alright, last box. Can we do it? Can we pull a Ghost Rare? The moment of truth. We're going to go with last box magic. Blue Eyes, White Dragon. Alright. The Executor of the Underworld. Void Cauldron. Galaxy Soldier. Redbeard, the Plunderer. And Yazzie, Evil of the Yang Zing. Alright. 3 packs to go. Let's seal the deal on a ghost here. Vision Hero Gravito. Retaliating Sea. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Number 60, Dugaris the Timeless. And Vampire Takeover. Okay. The Agent of Force, Mars. Chimeratech Rampage Dragon. Decode Talker Heat Soul. Fossil Fusion. And DD Lamia. And we're down to our last pack. This is it. This is it. Alright. DD Savant Thomas. Performance Misdirector. Performapal Misdirector. Go DD Divine Zero King Rage. The Agent of Entropy. And Motor Shell. Alright, unfortunately, this time we did not get a Ghost Rare. Maybe, most definitely, on the next video, we will get another box and we will try again. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, comment your favorite card, subscribe, because it'll definitely help the channel out, get me going, and see y'all on the next video. Thank you.